You just got a $10,000 raise. So why do you still feel broke? Your paycheck is bigger, your income is higher, but somehow your money still disappears. Here's the uncomfortable truth. A raise can make your life more expensive without making you much wealthier. And the scary part isn't buying one expensive thing. It's when your new lifestyle quietly becomes your new minimum. Let's say Alex makes $70,000 a year. Then Alex gets promoted and starts making $80,000. At first, Alex thinks, finally, I can breathe. But slowly, things change. A nicer apartment, a bigger car payment, more takeout, more shopping, a few subscriptions. Nothing crazy, nothing that screams, I'm overspending. But together, those small upgrades start eating the raise. And before long, Alex is making $10,000 more, but still wondering where the money went. Here's where it gets interesting. The biggest threat isn't usually a $500 purchase. It's a $500 monthly upgrade. Because $500 once is $500, but $500 every month is about $6,000 a year. And now you've created a bill that doesn't go away. That's the trap. Your income increases once, but your new expenses keep showing up every month. And once those expenses become normal, cutting them feels like you're losing something, even though you never had them before. So when your next raise arrives, don't immediately ask, what can I buy now? Ask, what can this extra income do for my future? Give the raise a job before your lifestyle claims it. Build your emergency fund, pay down high-interest debt, invest for the long term, and keep some money to enjoy. You don't need to live like you're broke just to build wealth. You just need your financial progress to grow faster than your lifestyle. Because the goal of earning more isn't simply to afford more stuff. It's to have more choices, more savings, less debt, more breathing room, more control over your future. So next time you get a raise, remember, don't let your lifestyle spend your raise before your future gets to use it. And if you want more practical money lessons like this, subscribe.